sa Waber Police Station, then roundabout, then go Sukshak Seaside, then Shak Alamiri right side, then kulo sa Waber yala jaldi karo sawa-sawa sa Waber Kuwait. Hada sida jaw wajid bike kulo shop kulo bike mungkin yabi discount bike mujud wajid sin alutul. Ada police station baden kulo yamin pulo mobile phone baden bike wajid kulo mobile phone mujud ayan ni Arabic mi Arabi suya little okay kulo cheap wajid discount mi forget Arabi discount shuno Arabi discount mi forget yala comment Arabi discount mi forget Arabi discount kulo mobile baden kulo bicycle cheap sa Germany baden Asima Mall baden Kipko Tower giya yala bay jaldi sup wow toyland sup wajid bicycle kulo cover malabis sup baden Yasar this one rest in peace Yasar rest in peace cemetery shop baden Alhamra NBK ada sino Isma forget Kipko Tower baden Alhamra second tower mi right wala wrong sup kulo bike ada cover blue cover bortakal cover bike ogya baden sa Waber building ogya yala taal discount bike sup beautiful building sa Waber 6 beautiful building baden sa Waber Pans sa Waber sino Indi 6 cheat sa Waber Pans beautiful same your girlfriend wow kulo bicycle yani you like bicycle you go sa Waber too much bicycle cheap price sa Germany sa Gerpulos price mungkin asrin baden talatin kamsa talatin ogya baden Asima Mall baden Kipko yala mi hungry medyo one yala sawa bit akil kana hungry